What up? What up? What up? What's happening? See, I got the super clean on again today. For this ain't a super clean video. We are at O.D.B's camp, home base, looking at the Mustang that I showed you the short of the other day, or those on Instagram got to see it. You know.
Damn! Look at that, little spinny boy. Look at there, the intercooler, boy. Best part. Look at that big nasty. 5-inch.
It's the one that was the 6.0 sloppy stage 2-speed power glide Mustang that was pulled from the junkyard, literally. The car was in a junkyard. And that he put together and raced it at the track. Well, some of the uploads I've been showing y'all over the time, you know, is the turbo sitting on top of the 5-gallon bucket and the intake, those stuff. That's O.D.B. That's the car. He's moved away from HP tuners and going with the big bad HOLLEY. We're gonna look at the car. We're gonna look at some of the workmanship that was done by Quinn's Chassis Shop. Is it Quinn's Chassis Shop? Yeah. Quinn's Chassis Shop. Man, they did some work, man. They turned it out, you know, to make all this work in this Fox body Mustang LS swap. I know some of y'all might not like it, but it is what it is. Of course, you see what it is. Terminator X Max, man. Look, I know nothing about this stuff. I'm trying to learn as much as I can. If anybody has Terminator X Max and I know them, I'm over there in they stuff meddling because I'm trying to learn. But we're gonna look at the car, man. 6.0, right? 6.0 with some high compression, 799 heads, a little bit of work. You know, some of y'all might say it ain't gonna work. Some of y'all know, you know. However, it's gonna be on E. Location of the intercooler will be an air-to-air. Later on, he's talking about going water to air. But, you know, with E85, we think he should be good. Got the VS Racing 85 millimeter, I think, or 80, 85, 88, or 80, 88, 85. Huge turbo, huge. This is the crossover pipe to the headers. This particular car went 601. What's the best time? 620. We don't know what exactly happened. We never could get any more mile per hour out of the car. But it definitely had a good, a 123 60 foot? Yeah, man, it had a 60 foot. Right. You know, it had a heck of a 60 foot, man. So he decided to go a different route. Big boy status, big 5-inch exhaust, you know. And then of course the fender exit. And so yeah, man, we got all the makings of good horsepower. You know what I mean? Oh man, we don't know what the car weighs, but we know we got the mid-ram high ride or HOLLEY intake. Gonna go with some. Don't you give snake eater injectors a try? They work. I've used them on 2 different applications. What you go with? What size? 1500. Yes, sir. Room to grow. This setup, man. Plenty of guys. Is the cam? Is it cam motion? But is it top secret specs?
No, I'll get it.
No, you ain't gotta give it to us. I was just curious. Are you running a dual spring or a single? Dual spring, hardened push rods?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that'll give y'all a little bit more information right there. We don't need to say any more. We know he's gonna upgrade the fuel line to a 1/2 inch, which was 3/8. So he's gonna go 1/2 inch. Meaning he's going bigger injectors now, so it's gonna require a lot more fuel. What about fuel pump? You gonna go to another, or the one you got sufficient?
What I got.
go. Let me take a look at it, man. Got the big wing on the back, and might have to go a little taller tire. Maybe. Got the wing on the back, you know. Quinn Chassis Shop. They done a lot of work on this dude. They did the whole front clip, right?
Yeah, this is
Front clip.
He added on the cage the halo bar.
Okay.
On top, but it already has 6 point in it.
Six. Man, you know, that sounds like a score. That sounds like a big time score that you find a notchback Fox body in the junkyard with the cage already in it. Man, you don't find that, man. You don't find that. And this is no making up, you know, type of story. It was in the junkyard. I do know that for a fact, because when I had my notchback, I was snatching parts off of this particular car, honestly. I took a fender. I also took the front clip, the front nose clip, you know. So it came off of this particular car that was in the junkyard. So I know it come from the junkyard. 2-speed power glide, right? 9 inch.
9.5 inch converted.
9.5 inch. 3,500 stall, man. We gonna see what she do. You're gonna see what she do. I look forward to make some noise anyway, man. We got a big race coming up October 1st and 2nd. This driver, man, right here will be putting it down, boy. He will be going against some big name guys.
Yeah. It's gonna be a big race.
It will be a huge race. Huge race, man. The small tire, and it's no prep, right?
Yeah, they're gonna scrape the track.
No preps. And then Friday night is grudge racing.
Yeah.
So that this car will be there. And some of y'all may want to come see it run. You may want to go come see some of your favorite YouTubers run. Some of your favorite street outlaws run. Some of your favorite Memphis 10? Or Memphis 10 guys run. SSR, man, it's huge. It's going to be a huge setup, man. Huge setup, man.
Ryan Mitchell and Firebird, that guy, DC Max, so he's going to be there.
You know, so, and you know, a lot of you guys that, I don't know if y'all into watching the drag racing scene, you know, but it's definitely be a good one to come and see, man. Good one to come and see. October 1st and 2nd, US 60 Driveway. Google it, and that'll tell you where it's at. So, but he's got the ICT billet, coil pack set up. The hood clears the intake, right? I see that you moved some things to make it clear.
Yeah.
We definitely went with a bigger radiator because last time we had a smaller radiator, and we may or may not had some cooling issues. I ain't gonna lie, we had some cooling issues. Is that the same? Is that the same air-to-air intake? Is that different? Hold on, no, that's another thing. Yeah, he was pumped. Yeah, there wasn't no intercooler at all on it last year, or year before. I remember now. I got a couple videos of this car two-stepping at the track, running. I mean, I consider respectable numbers. If we could have got to mile per hour, we needed 11 more mile per hour, man. We'd have been in the fives. We'd have been in the fives. Well, he would have been in five. I say we, like I'm really driving the car, man. But hey, this car right here gave me motivation, man, in the time I needed it. So, plus, his pit crew hooks him up, y'all. His pit crew hooks him up. You know. So, y'all definitely be on the lookout for that. I'm going to try to, you know, those who didn't make it or can't make it, I'm going to try to have some footage of his car. I'm definitely going to try to do the first, you know, be around for the first startup. He's got to get somebody that knows, or he's gonna be doing this himself. So, you know, like I said, and I hope to be here to be meddling. You got a laptop yet? Oh, come on, man. You gotta get that laptop. Oh, okay. For this. Yeah, I got you. So, 5-inch exhaust, 6.0, stock bottom end, 243 heads, head studs, LS9 head gaskets, top secret cam. We can't tell you what that is. Top secret cam, man. So if it makes possible, man, it's really possible. It's really possible, but with the stock rods, you just have to tread lightly. You know what I mean? Stock pistons, you have to tread lightly. So 9 1/4 be fine.
Talking about Cam Motion, Bobby at Cam Motion, I recommend you give him your specs. He'll spec a camshaft for you. They're easy to deal with, and man, they're sharp. You just give them your numbers, whatever you have, engine size. You got aftermarket pistons, rods, things like that. Go through your specs, and he'll tell you what camshaft you need. They're great to work with.
You heard that. Cam Motion, y'all heard that. He's over here vouching for you guys. This is Butler. O.D.B, baby. We hope to have him out playing in the traffic, you know. He's got somebody up the street that he needs to calm down anyway. So whenever he does get the car running, I think he's going to be stopping at every house up, down through here and letting them know that, hey, man, my front of my house is not drag strip, so stop doing what you're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and lay some in front of your house. You know? But hey, definitely be on the lookout for the car, man. Big shout out to O.D.B Dustin letting me even, you know, play with the car. And all I done is make suggestions. That's it. He's definitely gonna have some fun with it. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Don't forget to subscribe, share, whatever else it is y'all like to do. But fun.